to make a box and whisker plot, first you want to take a set of data and you want to put it in order from least to greatest, which we already did. Okay, so now after that we have ordered our data least to greatest, we are going to first find the median. So whenever we look and count back, we have least, greatest, least, greatest, least, greatest, least, greatest, least, greatest, least, greatest. We have 2 in the middle, which are 12. So our median would be right here, and it would be 12, right? Okay, well, that's the first thing that you do whenever you're making a box and whisker plot. You find the median. Okay, now the next thing you do whenever you're making a box and whisker plot is you identify the quartiles. We have a lower quartile here. That's the numbers below the median. We have the upper, which is here, above the median. Now we're going to find the median of the lower quartile. The median, if we count back again, least, greatest, least, greatest, least, greatest, our lower quartile would be 9. Our lower quartile is the median of the lower numbers. Our lower quartile would be 9. Now we're going to find our upper quartile, which is the median of the upper numbers, the numbers above the median of all the numbers. So if we count back, least, greatest, least, greatest, least, greatest, the median of our upper numbers is 17. So our upper quartile is 17. Okay, so we just found the median of the lower numbers, the numbers below the median of all the numbers, and the upper quartile, the median of all the upper numbers above the beginning median. Okay, so that's the lower quartile is 9, the upper quartile is 17. So now we're going to take that information that we found in our data set and we're going to look at our number line. And now we're going to make the actual box and whisker plot. Okay, it's called a box and whisker plot. And I'll show you why it's called a box and whisker plot. Okay, so you're going to graph the values that you found up here. Okay, you're going to put a dot at your median of all your numbers, which was 12. So we're going to put a dot right above the 12 here. Okay, that was our regular median. Then we are going to put a dot at our lower quartile, which was 9. Okay, so we're going to put a dot above here, our lower quartile. Then we're going to put a dot at 17, our upper quartile, here. Okay, this is going to make our box. We're going to put a line here, a line here, a line here, and we're going to box those in with a rectangle. That's the box of our box and whisker plot. Now we're going to put a dot at the lowest number in our data set, which was 6. So we're going to put a dot here and make a whisker, just a line. Then we're going to put a dot at 23, the highest number in our data set, and put our other whisker. So there is a box and whisker plot. Okay, it shows from our lowest number to our lower quartile, the median of all of our numbers, the upper quartile, and then the highest number in the data set. That makes a box and whisker plot.